Hello and welcome to Car Spec, a guide for automotive. Hello viewers. This video is about one of the most crucial parts of a vehicle's safety system, the brake pads. Car brakes are the most crucial part of a vehicle when it comes to safety. Understanding the importance of brakes and how to keep them in the best shape directly impacts your safety on the road and the health of your tires. The most common form of brakes used in modern cars are disc brakes. More specifically, disc brakes on the front for most vehicles and drum or disc on the rear. What are brake pads? Brake pads are components of disc brakes. They consist of a friction material bonded to a metal backing plate. When you press the brake pedal, the brake pads are forced against the brake rotors, the disc, creating the friction necessary to slow down or stop your vehicle. Brake pads wear and tear with regular usage. This causes them to become weaker with time. Not monitoring their conditions can lead to costly repairs and even the risk of malfunctioning on the road. On average, a typical set of driving wheel or front wheel brake pads last between 25,000 to 40,000 kilometers on Indian roads, and the rear wheel brake pads last much longer period, which is almost double the distance compared to front wheels. The factors include driving habits, brake pad material and vehicle type. Knowing when to replace brake pads is crucial for ensuring the efficiency of your car and the safety of your family or others on the road. Here are some signs to watch out for. Squealing or screeching sounds. If your brake pads have started to wear out, you will often hear squealing or screeching when you press the brakes. This is caused by a small metal plate attached to the brake pad that serves this exact purpose. Think of the screeching as an alarm in your brakes to indicate that it's time to have them replaced. Brake pad thickness. Another way of checking the health of your brakes is to visually inspect inside the caliper. If you notice that the brake pad is only half a centimeter thick, it's time to take the car to an authorized service station for an inspection if your car is under warranty. Else take it to a known mechanic. Metallic grinding or growling. You will hear sounds on engaging the brakes when your brake pads have worn away to a point that there is contact between the brake's backing plate and disc or drum. This can cause further damage very quickly. So, if you're hearing these sounds, the brake pads need to be replaced immediately, else this may end up damaging the rotors or disc, which also requires replacement, and it's a costly affair. Indicator lights. Many vehicles have indicators on the car's dashboard that warn you of brake pad issues. Check your manual to know more about what each indicator means. If you see the indicator lighting up, don't ignore it. Have the brakes thoroughly inspected. Increased stopping distance. If your car takes longer to stop, it could be a sign that your brake pads are worn and not providing enough friction. Factors that influence brake pad durability. Driving habits. Driving habits significantly impact your brake pad longevity. Considering the weight of an average car and how fast the wheels rotate, bringing a vehicle to a stop or slow down requires considerable effort. If you have the habit of tailgating other vehicles or speeding excessively, you will often make sudden or unexpected stops, putting even more stress on your brake pads. These extreme pressures exerted while braking accelerates the brake pad wear. Driving conditions. Driving conditions are often overlooked when discussing factors that impact brake pad life. Unlike interstate or highway driving, the unending traffic combined with poor roads in the city prompts frequent application of the brake, which accelerates the brake pad's deterioration. Material composition. Brake pads have varying material compositions with different stress and friction resistance. Generally, there are three types of brake pads: organic, ceramic, or semi-metallic. The material composition of these pads differs and plays a crucial role in their longevity. Ceramic brake pads are designed for high performance and last longer than others. Semi-metallic pads last longer than organic pads and are mostly used in large SUVs or trucks as they are best suited for heavy duty. Organic brake pads are made for daily driving and wear down faster than ceramic or semi-metallic ones. Condition of the brake assembly. Brake pads are a part of the brake assembly and collaborate with other components for proper functioning. If a brake rotor or caliper is in poor condition, the brake pad will likely wear down faster than it should. When replacing the brake pads, you must always examine the brake assembly for brake wear. Thank you for watching.